Dear students, now we'll say about the per unit system. This per unit system is usual to express voltage, current, volt amperes and impedance of an electrical circuit in per unit basis, or I can say percentage basis of reference values. The per unit value of any quantity is defined as per unit value is defined as the actual value in any units, the actual value in any units to the base value or reference value in same units. So this is the per unit representation. Now suppose if you want to represent the base current, base current say IB can be represented as volt ampere base to the voltage base. If you want to represent the base impedance ZB, ZB is equal to as simple as that VB by voltage V by current IB, voltage base by current base. Voltage base by current base can be represented as VA base by VB base. So if this VB base will go top, then it is written as VB square by VA base. Suppose for a power system, the practical choose base values may be in megavolt amperes instead of volt amperes. The base voltage may be in kilovolt base amperes. So at the time we can represent this power system in terms of very easy manner, like like the base current can be represented as 1000 into MVA base by kV base. So this is the way of representation. Now the per unit impedance Z per unit can be written as actual value Z per unit in, means you can simply represent it as Z per unit can be represented as actual value Z in ohms into MVA base by kV base whole square. This is the representation. In case if they will ask you the base in terms of kVA, you just divide with 1000. That is Z ohms into kVA base by 1000 into kV base whole square.